Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for 10th students and the chapter is art, metals and non-metals. Okay. In the last class we were discussed about corrosion. In this class I am going to discussing about prevention of corrosion. Prevention of corrosions. Can you tell what is this corrosion? Corrosion. Corrosion is a natural phenomena. Corrosion is a naturally occurring phenomena. In this, metals are deterioration or destructions by chemical reactions with their environment when reacts with their environment. So this is what corrosions. So how to prevent this corrosion? So we have some methods are there. So question, this is very important. Questions may be asked in exam. Mention the prevention methods of corrosions. So one by one we will discuss. Okay. So in this first one, so rusting of iron. So prevention of rusting of iron. First one is painting. Painting. So painting means apply the paints on the metals. So you can observe in your homes. So in your windows, is there any metals? So that metals are painted. Why? Because of this paint it prevents the corrosions. Next is oiling. Oiling. Oiling means applying of oils on metals and greasing. Greasing. Greasing means apply the grease on metals. So next is galvanizing. 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 It is a type of, it is a type which are used to prevent the chemical process or corrosions. Okay. Next is chromoplating. 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 Next is anodizing. Anodizing. Okay. Plating, anodizing, and one more making of alloys. Making of alloys. So these are the prevention methods of corrosions. So in that we know that generally painting, oiling, greasing. So now what is this galvanizing? So galvanizing is a type of prevention method used for the corrosion. It is improves or which protects the steel and iron from the rusting by coating them with the zinc. So if one metal is there, for this metal zinc is coated on this metals. So zinc is coated on these metals. When this zinc present on outer surface, that is zinc coated means the metals inside this, so it may be iron or steels. So outer layer we call as zinc. So this zinc reacts with oxygen and moisture, does not get corrosions. So inside iron and steel is there. So this zinc prevents the corrosion. Okay. So next from this galvanizing protects the against the rusting of iron if zinc coating is broken down also. Okay. So next is this is galvanizing. The next is alloying. So this is alloying, making of alloys. So making of alloys means it is alloying. Alloys means a homogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, or non-metals, etc. If our gold is right now, our gold is not a pure element. So that pure gold means 24 karat gold. Right now, 24 karat gold. This 24 karat gold is not good, or this is very soft. It is not used for the ornaments. Why? Because of this, because of softness, this 24 karat gold not used for making of ornaments. For this silver or copper are added to this gold, then only you get the ornamental golds. So this mixing of silver or copper into gold that we call as alloying, mixing of alloys. That means in India 22 carat golds are there for using making of ornaments. That means 22 parts of golds are present and 2 parts of copper or maybe silver are present in that environment. And in the same way, iron, pure iron is also soft. Pure iron is also soft. That means if you add 0.5%, 0.05% add means carbon is a non-metal. Yeah. So this is homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or non-metals. Alloying means it can be add metals or maybe non-metals. So adding of carbon to this iron, it make me as a more hard and strong. Okay, and so many alloys are there. So and these alloys are prevents the rusting from this environment. So this is what our prevention methods. First one is painting, oiling, greasing, galvanizing, chromoplating, anodizing, and making of alloys. So one more thing you have to remember, ma. So in Delhi. In Delhi near Qutub Minar, one iron pillar is there. That is a ancient pillar. So it is built built by built was 1600 years ago. 1600 years ago. So this iron pillar nearly 8 meters height and was 6,000 kgs. 6,000 kgs are weight. Okay, so this is a rust resistant iron. So in all parts of universe comes to examine that iron pillar, and all scientists, chemists are came to examine that pillar, but that pillar cannot resist cannot getting rusting with the environment. So this is what prevention method of this alloy. So one more thing, that is metals of mercury. So metals of mercury, alloys means we call as amalgam. Amalgam means sodium, mercury plus one more thing, maybe a metal or maybe non-metal. So when this it is a good conductivity of electricity and low melting points. So why? Because pure liquid, that pure mercury is a liquid instead, liquid metal. Right now, after mixing of some other metals and non-metals, it may be their melting point of alloy is less than that pure metal, and also it conducts electricity. Some brass is a alloy of copper and zinc. Right now, bronze is a alloy of zinc, copper and tin. So these are does not conduct electricity, but pure copper conducts electricity, and this copper is also used for making of circuits in electricity. Okay, so in welding, so many points we have to use this all these points. So you have to remember these points. So galvanization, chromoplating, anodizing, making of alloys, painting, oiling, greasing. These are the prevention methods of corrosion. Okay, in the next class we will discuss some exercise questions. Okay, thank you.